Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. Today we're going to see this delicious dessert and we're going to make it with bananas. We're making this really popular banana Fosters with vanilla ice cream. So why wait, let's get started and check out the recipe. First we're going to make the sauce. For this, take a nice white pan. Add 1 cup of nicely packed brown sugar. To this I'm adding half cup of unsalted softened butter. So make sure the butter is nice and soft. So keeping the flame on a medium low, melt the sugar and butter together. Next add about half teaspoon of cinnamon powder and mix it in nicely. This is going to give you a nice flavor. Continue to cook the sauce. Once the sauce starts bubbling, cut 3 ripe bananas. You can cut the bananas in the center like the way I've done, cut it into 2 halves. And gently drop it into the sauce. Cook the bananas along with the sauce. This will take about 2 to 3 minutes. So once the bananas are cooked, I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of rum. Now this is entirely optional. If you don't want to add the rum, you can make the sauce without the rum. So make sure you turn off the stove. As soon as you add the rum, we're going to flambe these bananas. Light the torch onto the pan. Wow, you can see those flames. So we're just going to let all the alcohol evaporate. So there you go, that's a beautiful sight. So once we've flambéed these bananas, turn off the stove. And your caramel banana sauce is done. Now we're going to serve it. So let this cool off for just a few minutes. Once this caramel sauce has come to a nice room temperature, you can see it's become a little thick. So now let's plate it. Take a nice plate, place the bananas onto the plate. Take 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, place it next to the bananas. Now drizzle some of that beautiful caramel sauce on top. And the banana Fosters is ready to be served. This is an incredibly easy yet delicious dessert that can be made in minutes. Like I said earlier, rum is only optional, so you don't have it, you don't have to add it. So here is this absolutely delicious and super easy banana Fosters that you can make anytime. To try the recipe, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. The second edition of our home cooking book is now available on our website 21frames.in. I'll give you the link in the description. You can go and check it out. The book is currently available only in India for now, so you can place your orders on 21frames.in.